Welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1972 Dodge Dart Swinger. Guys, this is just a little baby doll, man. Slick little Mopar, runs and drives excellent. It's got 5,100 miles on a complete body-up restoration. And like I say, just a little baby doll, man. This car is slick. Gorgeous rally red on it. It's got the black tail stripe. Love the interior. It's got the Hounds Tooth interior. Just a great running 360 cubic inch small block, automatic, air, disc brakes, and power steering. And like I say, you can't say enough about it. It's just a good car, man. Good solid straight Kentucky body. It's got the rally wheels on it, dual snorkel hood. Car sits good, and like I say, man, it really does hit the road good. Pretty car. It's got a great look to it. I love the blacked out snorkels there on the hood. The chrome and stainless is very nice. There's not a whole lot to really nitpick on this car. These look original. Both of the corner pieces are original, and they show a little bit of age, but nice. You can see the bumpers are nice. The fender mount turn signals are original. You can nitpick those a little, but very nice car, and they work. Gorgeous paint on this car. Whoever painted this thing really laid some nice paint down. Dash in there's nice, bunch of paperwork, original broadcast sheet for the car, all the original owner's manuals and stuff when the car was bought from when it was bought new. Just a slick car. And like I say, drives just as good as it looks. It's got vintage air, it blows cold. Fit and finish is excellent on the car. See, the car's nice and straight down the sides, good rubber, good looking set of rallies on it. It's got a good sounding Flowmaster H-pipe dual exhaust system in it with those chrome tips. Factory rear end, no big gear, so it's probably like a 323 gear. Oh, really? Something on there. Pretty car. And it's got front disc brakes. Yeah, and really just a great running little 360 in it. Holley 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds. Again, aftermarket heat and AC. Power steering. Manual front disc brakes. 727 Torqueflite automatic trans. You can see it's got, new lines, new rubbers. Pretty car. I've ordered the new mats for it. It's got a set of mats in them, but I don't like them. I like them to match the car, so they'll say Dart on them. A-pillar chrome's really nice. You can see a little wear. Really not much at all. Original mirror. Can nitpick that a little. Stick on there. Door handles are nice. New door rubbers. Slick paint. Really pretty paint on this car. It's got the black and white Hounds Tooth interior. New carpet. New sill plates. Love the interior. Factory bench seat. Looks like it's got all the factory correct seat belts in it. Factory dash. 5192, that's on your resto. AM FM radio. Oh, my little glove box is open over there. Again, H-pipe Flowmaster dual exhaust system, factory rear end, no big monster gear. Wind is whipping here. This is all your paperwork from the car was new. Again, here's your original broadcast sheet for the car. Factory jack, there is a spare in here. It's all body color and detailed up. Very nice in here like it's supposed to be. That is a slick, slick car, man. Car's nice underneath. Got some pictures of the bottom for you. Sorry guys, I think I lost focus there. Seats are really nice and comfortable. They've been refoamed and everything. Like I say, I got new mats for it. I don't know that sticks. Might have to grab the, I know that thing closes. Aftermarket AM FM radio. You get in here, click that thing shut when you get a second. When I open the glove box, it's stuck open a little bit. Might need a key to do it actually, Jordy. See a little Chrysler insignia in there on the glass. Again, just a little cam to it, nothing crazy. See the air works, it blows nice and cold. It's just a good car right there, man. Again, just a little cam to it, just enough to let you know it's coming. Look. This thing's all work. It wouldn't shut? There's the lock on there?
Yeah, I think we need
okay. Gauges are all working. Got a great sound to it. So the backup lights work. Well, one come on. We'll check that bulb. Bet you we wiggle it and it comes on. Radio works. Blower motor works. Doors open and close real nice. Just like I say, just a good car, man. Gorgeous paint. Flip your headlights on, Jordan. There you go. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking that little button at the bottom. That way you can get a notification every time I post a new one of these videos. slick that car is, man. Great car. Sure, he had to wait for the traffic to clear. Have a great day, guys.